Hello everybody and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily check Samsung's AI features on the Galaxy A36. So first, open settings, and now the next thing that you need to do is go to device care. Here in device care, go to memory. And now here we can clean it up, but it's not the AI process. Let me show you what happens next. Now here we have RAM Plus, and it's an AI virtual memory expansion because it uses storage as extra RAM for better performance. And of course I'm not going to restart my phone, but that's a cool trick. And the next thing that we have is battery, because once you are here we can enable or disable the battery protection to preserve its lifespan, and we can also modify power saving. Now what else can we do here? We can basically go to charging settings and we can enable or disable fast charging. Now the next thing that I want to show you is the camera, because what can we do is we can use the AI beauty mode for selfies. Now check this out. Here I can change my eyes. Give me a second. Here I can change my eyes, my jawline, my tone, and also smoothness of my skin. And that's a game changer. Now what else can we do is we can use night mode AI enhancement for the low light. So first go to more, now go to night, and remember, if you are using the dark mode it has to be dark, but for me it isn't, so it won't give the exact effects. As you guys can see, the photo looks just like a normal photo because of the light in the room, but normally it works pretty fine and I had a chance to test it. Now the next thing that is crazy is the super steady video, because it minimizes shakiness in your videos, so even when your hands are jittery or something it will look very good. Just look at this. I'm gonna enable it, and now I'm gonna shake it. As you guys can see, my hands are not static. And check how this recording went. As you guys can see, it actually tries to stabilize everything, which is very insane and very cool. And that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.